Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set an access code for documents in Jotform Sign. This is a great way to add an extra layer of security to sensitive documents, ensuring that only people with the correct code can view and sign them. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Jotform dashboard where you can manage all your forms and documents. Now look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Signed Documents. This section is specifically designed for managing all your signature documents, making it easy to organize and send forms that require signatures from others. Once you're in the My Signed Documents area, browse through your list of documents and locate the specific document you want to protect with an access code. When you've found it, click the Edit button next to that document. This will open up the document builder where you can make adjustments and configure various settings before sending it out. At the top of the builder interface, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the Send tab. This is where you'll configure all the settings related to sending your document to recipients. The Send tab gives you control over who receives the document and what security measures you want to put in place. In the recipient section, enter the name and email address of the person you want to send the document to. After you've filled in these details, look for a small key button next to the recipient's information. This key icon represents the access code feature. Click on this button to activate the security option. A field will appear where you can type your chosen access code. You have flexibility here. You can use numbers, letters, or even a combination of both to create a secure code. Choose something that's memorable for your recipient but difficult for others to guess. This code will be required before the recipient can access and sign the document. Finally, once you've set your access code and double-checked all the recipient details, click the Send to Sign button. This will dispatch your protected document to the recipient's email. They'll receive the document link, but they won't be able to view or sign it without entering the correct access code you just created. And that's it. You've successfully added an access code to your Jotform Sign document, giving you peace of mind that your sensitive information is protected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.